Kita niyo ba yung makulit naming alaga na may apparently allergic reaction from something? Nandun siya sa may gate at nag-iimbestiga kung ano nangyayari sa mga kapitbahay. Laila? Meron dyan? Ha? Kita mo doon? Oh, na-distract. Looks like there's a dog outside. A neighbor's dog. Oh, hindi. Pato pala ata yun. May pato sa labas ng gate. Anyway, ayan ko muna si Laila dyan. Mawala siya kung mawala siya, si Lord ng bahala. Alright? Basta alam niya, dito siya makakakuha ng food. Dito siya makakakuha ng care or whatever. Okay? So alam niya, marunong naman siya umuwi. So I'm kind of okay with it. Kahit kung saan siya mapunta. Sinong bantay natin dito? We have Yema. Yema, the Mekong Bobtail. Just chilling sa harap ng pintuan. And then we have Batik. Batik. Another male in the house. And then we have Rooster. Where's Rooster? There he is. Isa pang lalaki sa household. Grow big and strong, okay? Nasaan na siya? Ginagawa mo dyan? Come here. Laila. Laila girl. Ayan na. Laila girl. What is happening? Anong meron? Oh, nagising na lahat. Ba't bumangon na lahat? Umaga pa. Hindi pa kayo kakain. It's too early, yo. Sige. Si Yema yung pinaka aloof sa apat na to. Siya yung may sariling mundo. Si Laila and si Batik, they have a pretty good relationship. They don't mind each other. And then obviously si Rooster, kararating lang. And he seems to be doing alright. Oh, syempre si Yema. She don't take no shit from anybody, bro. Ito. Makulit. Mukhang biik ang asong ito. Rooster is a 1-month-old Aspin. Malakas siya kumain, which is nice. Mayroon siyang spot dito. Ano? May konting color din sa ears niya. Otherwise, he is white. Which is nice. Madaling makita dito sa farm. Once he's grown and big, running around. And si Rooster. And obviously, we have Laila over there. as curious as ever kahit may konti siyang setback, but that's okay. She's getting better and she'll be stronger. Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? Hey, Lila girl, good girl. Play lang kayo dyan, bati-bati kayo dyan. Alright? No fighting, please. Papalayo na naman si Lila. Papunta na naman gate. Huwag kang lalayo. Lila, huwag kang lalayo. Diyan ka lang, okay? Sige na, doon ka na. Anyway, bros, nagsashot ako mag-isa. But that's okay. Boom. My go-to, Jameson. Meron akong kasoy for pulutan. And then treats for the dogs and the cats. Yeah, ganun lang bro. Medyo smoky. Meron akong katol dito. Pero anyway dudes, inumin lang natin to. Isang shot lang. Yan. It's almost Christmas 2025. Cannot believe magka 2026 na. So we're gonna drink to that, okay? Cheers, bro. All right. See ya.